Hello guys, I am back here with another tool. So I am providing you here the Loom video downloader tool. So what will happen with this tool that you can download your Loom videos easily. So first of all we will open it the Loom link. So example, I have this Loom link. Just paste it here, okay, and just click on get video. And yeah, the video is available to you. You can either download from here. See the you can download it, or if you can watch it here also. So you can watch the videos from here also. So this is the basic Loom video downloader, or it is in multiple language also. So from here you can change the language and use this tool in according to your language. Like if you want to use in Spanish, so just click on Spanish and and you can access it in your Spanish language. Okay guys, enjoy this tool.